Normal body shot kills. One knife kill in the back. Don't fail me.
Your reflection in my wine glass. That's when I look away. Can't stand and think about losing your fine ass. How the fuck I let you slip away? Life for the party, but I'm dead inside. Kill my vibes, it was genocide. Hard to act like I've been alive. I'm trying to find where I identify. One time for the girl that got away. 2 times for the bub I'm about to spray. 3 times for the power that I pray to. Are you up there? Can you hear me? I know I fucked up, it's clear, see. I'm 22 but I don't act like it clearly. And all this shit is a mirage.
Kid behind you, Helen Keller, is that you? You're literally dog shit. Look at you, packed out like your mom last night. You're literally free, so free. Kid's on McDonald's Wi-Fi. Look at this kid, he has no earnings, literally no PR. He's dog shit, a walking shitter. Helen Keller, is that you? You're really dog shit.
Yeah, look, too much whiskey in my red cup. Remember first day you wouldn't give it up.
Look at you, packed out like your mom last night. You're literally free, so free. Kid's on McDonald's Wi-Fi. Look at this kid, he has no earnings, literally no PR. He's dog shit, a walking shitter.
Deal with the niggas that I came with, but everything changed once some fame hit. Make it up, take you down, have a shot, hop out around, play my songs, you like the sound. It's going down, it's going down.